Multiplying decimals. Anahira has 4.2 meters of cloth which sells for $8.70 per meter. How much must she pay? She has 4.2 meters and each meter is going to cost her $8.70 or 8.7. This is the calculation we need to do. When we're putting our numbers into our rectangle, we need to split them up. The 4 is 4 units and the 2 is 2/10 or 0.2. The 8 is 8 units and the 0.7 is 0.7 or 7/10. Now we can start to do our calculations and work out the area of the rectangle. In this box here we have 8 times 4, which is 32. In this box here we have 8 times 0.2. To work out 8 times 0.2, let's just start by doing 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. However, we didn't have 2, we only had 0.2. So our decimal point needs to move from the whole number one place to the left. So 8 times 0.2 is actually 1.6. In this part here, we're going to do 0.7 times 4. To start our calculation, we can just do 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. However, looking back at our question, we didn't have 7, we only had 0.7. The decimal point needs to move back one place to the left to take account for this. So our 28 needs to become 2.8. In the third box, so let's put the 2.8 in here. In the third box, we've got 0.7 times 0.2. Start off with the number parts, 7 times 2, which makes 14, and then take account of the fact of the decimal place. It wasn't 7, it was 0.7, so the decimal, which would have been here in a whole number, needs to move back one place. However, it wasn't a 2, it was 0.2, so the decimal point needs to move back another place to represent this. So the answer is 0.14. 0.14. Finally, the 4 components need to be put into the correct place in the decimal place value table so that they can be added together. 32, 1.6, 2.8, 0.14. And these then can be added together to find the total. In this column we've got a 4. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. Don't forget the decimal point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3. So our final answer is 36.54, or the total cost that Anahira will need to pay for her cloth is $36.54.